Hey everybody, this is Kanan Singh, currently an MBBS student at a government medical college. So today I am going to answer this most frequently asked questions among the NEET aspirant, that is NEET actually so difficult? So as a medical student, I would like to answer this from my perspective. But before we move on to the actual solution or answer of this question, we will understand that itni overhype क्यों है? Why does the society consider NEET as a very difficult exam? इतना ज़्यादा क्यों बोला जाता है तुमसे नहीं होगा, तुमसे इतना बड़ा पेपर कैसे कर लोगे, ये वो. तो इसका रीज़न क्या है? So the first reason is competition. Around 20 lakh students participate in this exam and fight for just 1 lakh seats. And competition actually makes this exam stand out. The next important thing is syllabus. There is a huge vast syllabus to cover. But chill guys, it's just 11-12 syllabus only. When you crack NEET PG, you have to study for 19 subjects. So calm down. It's not that much, okay? The third thing is the time. Like you get 180 minutes to solve 180 questions, like 1 minute for one questions, and you have to put all your heart soul mind into that question. You have to solve that, you have to understand that in just 1 minute. So the time pressure actually makes this exam difficult. Now, from the perspective of a medical student, because at one point of time when I was a NEET aspirant, I used to also think that कि क्या नीट इतना डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, सब लोग बोलते हैं कैसे होगा, क्या तुम कर पाओगी, ये वो. बट क्या ये सच्ची में इतना डिफ़िकल्ट पेपर है? बट आफ्टर आई क्रैक नीट, मेरे को समझ आया कि बेसिक फंडा क्या है. इज नीट एक्चुअली डिफ़िकल्ट? सो आई टेल यू. लिसन. फर्स्ट थिंग, नीट इज़ अ वेरी प्रेडिक्टेबल एग्जाम. जेई एडवांस की तरह जो जिसमें आप क्वेश्चंस को प्रेडिक्ट ही नहीं कर पाते, NEET is an exam which is very predictable. Like most of the paper is based on previous year questions. इसलिए आपको हर जगह बार बार एक यही बात की जाती है कि previous year questions practice करो, previous year questions practice करो, because NEET is purely based on previous year questions. So NEET is a very predictable exam. Okay. The next important thing, that NEET is purely based on NCERT, especially bio. तो पूरी पूरी एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड ही आती है. आप एनसीईआरटी की वो दोनों बुक्स को एकदम पूरी अच्छी तरह लाइन बाय लाइन याद करो, पूरे लाइन बाय लाइन समझ लो, लाइन बाय लाइन एकदम रट लो. So you are somebody who will end up scoring 360 on 360 in NEET biology. The most fascinating thing that I will tell you is that most of the NEET toppers were not actually toppers throughout their life. अब वो फर्स्ट से 12th तक तो कभी टॉपर्स नहीं रहे, बट दे टर्न आउट टू बी नीट टॉपर्स. तो ऐसा क्या हुआ? इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट. दे जस्ट स्टडीड स्मार्टली उन्होंने बेसिक फंडा क्रैक कर लिया नीट को क्रैक करने का. उन्हें पता चल गया कि हमें अगर PYQs कर लेंगे, हम NCERT को अच्छी तरह कर लेंगे, हम फिजिक्स के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन न्यूमेरिकल्स प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, केमिस्ट्री में इनऑर्गेनिक को बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ लेंगे, वी विल एंड अप क्रैकिंग नीट. So this is the basic funda. And next important thing is coaching. NEET is exam जिसके लिए आपको कोचिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You know, nowadays ऐसे न्यूज़ आते हैं कि 55-year-old has cracked NEET, 44-year-old has cracked NEET. कैसे? They were not going into some coaching and all, because सब कुछ आजकल नीट के लिए रिसोर्सेज आर अनलिमिटेड एंड अवेलेबल एवरीवेयर. ऑनलाइन आपको सब कुछ मिला हुआ है. लाइक देर आर DPPs, देर आर क्वेश्चंस, देर आर लेक्चर्स, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल. So NEET is an exam where coaching is not necessary to crack NEET. You just need a proper plan and everything is available online. So guys, as a medical student, I will say that NEET is not a difficult exam. You just need to work in the right direction. One special note from my side, all the NEET aspirants watching, please subscribe my channel and also comment down whatever help you need from my side. I will be there, I will be replying to you. You can message me on Instagram or you can comment down. I will reply to your comment, your query, even if you have anything like that. Thank you everybody.